Welcome to nTask Tutorials.
Custom fields. How to create drop-down. Start on the Task tab. Select the task. In the task detail at the bottom, click on Add Edit Field. Under Create New Field, select Drop-down. Enter field name.
Add details to your custom field.
Add it to a section and set field layout. If you'd like to add the new field to all workspaces, select All Workspaces or use the default setting for this workspace. Click Create Field. Your new field will appear on the task detail pop-up. To edit field, click on the selected custom field icon. From the drop-down, select Edit Field. Make edits to your custom field the way you want. And click Save Changes. If you wish to delete the field, simply click on the custom field icon and from the drop-down, select Delete Field. Confirm your selection and click Delete. Your field will be deleted.